Hi everyone, my name is MarineMax and I'm here in MarineMax Pompano, and I'd love to show you aboard one of Sea Ray's best-selling models, the 25 SDX. Now this boat is known as a little transformer because on the aft swim platform you can slide the seat backwards as it's shown now to give you more space while you're out at the sandbar. You have a built-in cooler right here. And that's nice, so you don't have to go back into the cockpit area. And you also have a DC adapter and a USB charger as well to blow up your inflatable toys. Transom remote control station here and your battery switches. And then check this out. This guy slides to the back and reclines so that way now you have a lot more area and space in your cockpit. Built-in coolers, you have one here and also one at the bow. Easy to load ice on and off your boat and cool drinks as well. You also have plenty of storage space. And this boat does have two tables, one for the cockpit area as well as one for the bow. The companion seat can also face forward, or you can have it facing aft, which is quite nice, and the same goes for the captain's chair. Now this boat has the upgraded larger Simrad display. This is awesome because it is integrated with your Mercury 300 horsepower Verado engine, and it'll tell you all of your engine diagnostics right there on your screen at the tip of a finger. Bluetooth Fusion audio. This also has the premium audio package, so you have a richer sound. Has an amplifier and a sub. It's really great for this boat, as well as a sports tower, which can collapse manually to give you a smaller bridge clearance, which is quite nice, or a larger bridge clearance rather. Then, out of all the models, this is one of my favorites because you have a substantial head. Lots of room down there. This is also the premium head upgrade. So the cushion comes down and this becomes kind of like a little lay down area as well, and doubles for storage. At the bow, we have another USB charger and a table that props up into here. But I mean, tons of space, great to lay down and hang out, enjoy the sun. Great boat for the sandbar and for the family. If you like this or any one of our boats, please give us a call. Thank you so much for joining us again. My name is MarineMax, 305-316-0627. See you on the water.